What's up, this is Dilio coming to you live once again, and this is a gigging vlog where I show you basically what I do outside of the studio, where we take the skills and techniques that we learn from the studio and bring them out into live sound stage. So right now I'm at the event center at Classique, which is typically a place where we do a lot of gigs, and I'm also performing with Mr. V and a Simply Awesome band. And what I'm going to do is just show a little bit of the technology that I got going on, and also show you a little bit of the musicianship that goes on and the way they really set these parties up. So this is a good opportunity to see what happens when we go out into the real world, go out of the studio, and have some fun and jam out. So stay tuned for more for that. I'll see you inside. They call it M1. That's a Korg sound.
Korg M1, yeah. I put those in here.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
I'm feeling high. My money's gone. I'm all alone.
So here we are. This is a quick walkthrough of the rig I got. I hope you can hear me, and I hope I have to film this afterwards. But right here, got the Boss Perform VE22, and that's where I do my auto-tune, reverb, effects, and things of that nature. Of course, I got some presets I performed with that I programmed from other gigs. So this is where I add, of course, all the stuff live. Now, down here is my MicroKorg. This MicroKorg goes to my top box, which is down there. It's a mess. And so that synthesizer goes out of here into the top box, from the top box to the effects processor, and that's basically it. So, and also I use this microphone to sing into, and then that's pretty much my mobile top box rig. But I gotta condense it down because there's so many wires and things going on to make it happen. And I got a monitor right there. That's my personal monitor right there. I need to get something smaller because I really don't need a 15 to amplify top box so I can hear it on a loud stage. So I got to downsize that. But that's basically my top box rig.
just bustin' to the whole beat. DJ Roy.
All right, yeah, so like one of the longest, arduous parts of the gig is the teardown, where you have to drag back out all the equipment you dragged back in. So I hope you enjoyed some of the clips. There was dancing, there was laughing, there was singing, there was jamming. There was all kinds of stuff. The gear all worked great. And I'm exhausted, so I hope you liked this video. If you like this, let me know in the comments below. Dilio T2K YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. Check out my links in the description below in case you're looking for some gear, sample packs, or just want to give me a holler. All right, I'm out of here. I gotta put this gear up.